Right then, apparently it's Monday at 7 o'clock. I mean, it looks like that. And I am here, and we are here at BDC, the British Drift Championship, where I am trying to compete in the pro class after 10 years of abstinence. I've broken a drive shaft, I've broken an alternator, which I don't even know if that was my fault, but the drive shaft was. The handbrake is stuck on, and it's been mayhem, but the lads here are helping me. They're doing an amazing job. All the sponsors that have helped me to get here have done an amazing job, and now it's just down to me to enjoy myself, I guess. So, I don't know. I think the goal is to get into the top 16. That'd be lovely. It's been a while, so my expectations, I would say, are realistic. I'm just going to do my best and see how the day goes. Okay, so I'm about to go into qualifying. It's not working out very well for me. So in the practice, I don't feel like I could get the car dialed at all. The handbrake was getting stuck on, then the handbrake snapped off, which was a big problem. And basically, because it was wet, I had no grip in the front tyres. And yeah, pretty good excuses. I mean, technically it's all my own fault. You know, these are all things that I should have looked after, but I just got to go out and try and do my best now. So we kind of bodged the handbrake together, kind of got some grip. But yeah, I think using a competition, a pro level competition as a shakedown was definitely an idea. So yeah, I don't know. I guess I'll take some flack. Yeah, I'll do my best to qualify, and that's all I can do. So yeah, there you go. It's pretty genuine. So that's all you got. Try again.
gone way off the track, way off track, and absolutely buried that car in the tyre wall.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that didn't go to plan, did it? Yeah. I sort of parked my car on some tyres. Apparently I've got an inability to turn left.
I'm not an ambi-turner. It's a problem I had since I was a baby. I can't turn left.
So what I need to do is go and practice turning left, so I don't do that again. Only things I would say I've learned is that I should probably get some more sleep before events. I should rest more before events. I should fit things to the car properly before events. And when I'm at the event, I should just be concerned with eventing and not with trying to make a car work, which like just sucked. So they're not really excuses, it's just like what it is. So like I'm responsible for all of those things. Like, and these are all things that like I could have dealt with earlier. You know, obviously like the world situation's not really helped, but it's, you know, I chose to be there, and at the end of the day, like my choice was to sit at home and just skip around and go and set my car up another time, and it'll be balls to that, man. Like I want to go and drive my car, even if it like fucks up. Like I'm out here to enjoy driving my car, and yeah, it's drifting, you're gonna crash. So like the channel is called Driftcrash. Two things. One, all the people that have been really supportive, like, am I okay? Is the car okay? The car is absolutely fine, thank you very much. And am I okay? Yeah, I'm cool, just like maybe wounded pride, because it's my own dumb fault for not getting the car sorted out correctly, so that's on me. And the other one is like, I've seen a few people that are genuinely really happy that I crashed and that I piled my new car into tires. Have one expression that I'd like to share with you guys, and it's a quote from one of the greatest boxers of all time, Mike Tyson.
Go off.
So yeah, just get a grip. That's not a pun. On a final note, like, leave some comments, try and make the funniest joke about me crashing and not being able to turn left. I'll see you on the next one, where I will learn how to turn left.